I recently commented that my next video is going to be my best video ever. Well, I lied. Actually, that video's not ready yet, guys. I want it to be perfect, so I got to work out a few more things before I can upload it. Yeah. $1.07? That's all I got. I'm not giving you any more. How much do you need? You said $1.07.
Yes.
That's a $35 wig. That's about $2 right there. You don't want it?
No.
Fine, I guess I'll just keep it. I don't have any cash though, so I guess I'll just have to gnaw on this for the rest of the day. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. You have good eyes. I can't bring my glasses. This you have to have an egg for this? Or?
Yeah, actually one egg.
That's an egg.
Butter and an egg.
But is it one of those? Hold on. Sorry.
Oh, you're right.
I'm sorry.
No, you're okay.
It's done with a pan or is it toaster?
It looks like a pan.
Thank you.
Yeah, no
I think I'm gonna get it because we've been dealing with hairball problems really bad lately. I don't know if I can. I'll get the tube. Sorry, excuse me. See what I mean? I'm tired of coughing up hairballs, so if I take this, it'll probably get rid of it. Will it come out the front or does it come out the back?
It's actually kind of different.
It's not my dog's hair. That's the crazy thing. I don't even recognize it. But I went to the grocery store. There's nothing for hairballs.
Yeah.
So I figured I'd come
To be
in.
honest with you, I wouldn't recommend that for you. I'd go see a doctor.
A doctor? All right. I guess. Oh, here's another one. I fought that one back. I'm gonna have to go see a doctor then.
Yep,
So I'm not gonna buy these then, huh? Oh. I'm gonna go see. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your help. I figured there was a quick fix, like that was something normal, because you know how everybody has pets.
I've had pets for most of my life. Never had that issue.
Never? Strange. Alrighty, sir. I appreciate your help. Alright, thank you. It's cool you guys give us peanuts. Well, excuse me.
Hi.
Ugh. You guys put hair in your peanuts?
No. What the heck?
It's in the peanut? You throw that away for me?
Yeah, let me get it. It was inside the peanut.
Somehow, and I didn't even open it. Do you by chance know what these are stuffings, right? They're supposed to come with butter, or
Do they come with
they come with butter?
No.
Okay, every
You
time.
have to put your own butter in there.
Because the hair. You know what I should do with that?
Oh,
You take it for me,
no.
please? I had it sitting right there. Yeah, it's really small, so it's hard to see, so I can keep it in a good angle or whatever.
Know where that came from.
Awesome. Well, you've been very nice. It's going to be called coughing up hairballs or something along the lines. Something really stupid. So
Okay.
you're one of my last scenes of the day. So, and you're probably my best reaction. So.